Today we're going to make a sunshine roll. To make this roll, we're going to need Tobiko, or flying fish roe, avocado, and snow crab salad. Now we're going to start rolling this roll. To do that, we're going to go ahead and get our hands a little bit wet with some water. And then we're going to grab 150 grams sushi rice. And we're going to very lightly press. Then we're going to go ahead, place it across the top of our nori, and lightly push down towards the bottom. And then we're going to make sure that all the rice goes around the edges and that it's fairly evenly spread across the nori. Now that we're here, I'm going to get any excess rice off my hands. Then we're going to go ahead and take our flying fish roe. We're going to grab a little bit of it. We're going to spread all the way across. Now that we've done that, we can go ahead and flip it over so you can put the ingredients inside. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab a good size of snow crab salad. Spread that out across, and now we can go ahead and roll it. We're going to take the side closest to us, take it and roll it and tuck it in next to the ingredients, nice and tight. Then we're going to fold the edges up and over so the flap is on the bottom. Now that we're here, we're going to go ahead and take our plastic wrap and we're going to press the roll. Now we're going to go ahead and press our sunshine roll. Plastic wrap over the top so that it makes it easier to use our makisu. We're going to lay this flat side down, and we're going to push downwards and lightly in at the base. Make sure we apply even pressure across the whole roll. Then we're going to go ahead and make sure that our ends are nice and even. Place the makisu to the end of the roll, and just very lightly tap. We're going to go ahead and do that on the other side as well. And then I like to give one last very light, even pressure across the roll. And in this case, we'll go ahead and remove the plastic for easier cutting. Now, we're going to take our knife, clean it on our towel, and we're going to go ahead and make our cuts. We're going to find halfway through, because we're going to cut this into 6 pieces. In half. Now we're going to bring them up together. We're going to go ahead and cut 1, 2. Now we have 6 roughly even pieces. If you come out with one that's a little bit bigger, we'll go ahead and put that into the middle. Now we're going to align them up, and our roll is ready to go.